Good morning, this is Mr. Swanson, and I'm creating a short how-to video to help explain the About Me video assignment, which is your first assignment of the year. The purpose of this video assignment is to allow me and the rest of my classmates, the rest of your classmates, to learn about you, but it's also to help you prepare some of your skills, including following directions, reading everything carefully, and uploading videos and all that kind of stuff. So there's many purposes for this assignment. So I'm going to go through the requirements, and if you look at the rubric, you get points for each of these things. Looks like I have a couple typos that I need to fix, but I will fix those later. So the first one is we need your preferred first and last name. Obviously, your last name is your last name, but your first name, what you'd like to be called. My real name is Charles, but I would say in the video Charlie. So introduce yourself with your preferred name. The second thing is create or state one crazy, unique, weird science fact, whatever you would want to do. I would talk about the fact that one cumulus cloud weighs as much as like 2,000 elephants. I'd have to look that up, but that would be the fact that I would use. So something weird, different, just to make all these videos interesting, because you'll see later on that you will be watching them. The third thing is you need 3 memorable facts about yourself. So things that are going to distinguish you from somebody else. So not, I have a brother and a sister. A lot of us do. I have a dog. So do I. Instead, you want to say, my dog won Best in Show at the county fair. Or some things that I would say is, I proposed to my wife while scuba diving underwater. Or I just had a baby girl named Tessa this July. Things like that that are just a little bit more unique to us individually. I'm going to then turn this into a Quizlet Live to try to have some fun the following day. So the fourth thing is make sure it is submitted by 3 p.m. So I'm going to highlight that. I want that submitted by 3 p.m. because I need enough time to go and make my Quizlet Live. For homework, and since each video can only be 30 seconds and you have about 30 classmates, that's your 15 minutes of homework is to watch everybody else's videos. So 30 videos and times 30 seconds, that's 15 minutes. That's not too bad. And that way you can start to get to know the rest of your classmates. So I hope you guys have some fun with this. I'd love to watch these. I'm looking forward to getting to know you guys, and this will be a good start to the year. So